Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm here to share my design team project for Valia Crafts. This is using her Birdsong digital kit, and it's a six signature journal, and it's come out quite chunky, but I absolutely love the way it's come out. So this is one of the pages from her kit. I think it was just beautiful the way it was. I haven't really done anything to it. I've just added some lace on the side and another page at the back. It's covered in wallpaper at the back. So that's the inside. I've got a little stitch slot pocket here. Some ephemera that I had, as well as some from her. I think these two are from her the Facebook page, where she also has some free ephemera. These are all her pages, some scrapbook pages and coffee dyed pages. So that's a little pocket here with and another pocket I made. That's one of her free ephemera. And this is from the kit. The kit comes with a lot of ephemera as well. There's another pocket there. I won't talk too much through this, otherwise it's going to take a long time. I'll just try and do a quick flip through. This is a music page, a page from a book. This is one of her ephemera, and this is one of the free ones. This is one of the pages from the kit that I have printed on blue vellum. Made a pocket on this page. Some lovely quotes on the pages as well. It's the other side of that vellum. Okay. This is a belly band, and that's an envelope also from the kit, and it comes with a page that I backed on craft. Some washi, a little lace pocket, very beautiful pages. A die cut. Belly band. These are some free tags from her Facebook page. I'll put the link to that page as well. My little bit paper clip. Some more washi. I made this pocket using one of her pages, which I just reduced the size of the page and made a pocket out of it. Little paper bag kind of thing. This is some altered paper bag. Such a beautiful kit, I just couldn't stop adding to it. So, envelope. tag. Because on some of the scrapbook papers, I printed the kit on the other side. This is another little envelope. It comes with these two little cards that you can print. These are from the kit, and this one is a free. Tag that I made using some of the pages and some scrapbooking paper. Another tag. This is the envelope again, and one of my book page envelopes that I make with the serviettes. With a die cut. That's a bit of ribbon. A little feather sticker. Another envelope I've made from some music scrapbooking paper. Just pocket at the back. This is a little 3D kind of butterfly. Some vellum that die cuts that I had. This has got, it's a flip out, and it's got some little ephemera in it. And that's just a pocket. This is a sticker. I printed the kit on one of these yellow stickers. So another sticker. This is from the ephemera. Another of those stickers. Little tag. And then the paper bag that I've made with the kit, pages from the kit. And another one of those book paper envelopes. Another little envelope I made from a scrapbook paper. Little paper bag tuck spot. That's my little birdsong, not so little birdsong journal, design team project for Valia Craft. Thank you for watching. Bye.